how to do anonymous questions on Instagram. So yeah guys, let's find the way to ask anonymous questions on Instagram. So first of all, keep in mind Instagram doesn't give like option and GL questions. Anonymous question you can't ask through Instagram because there is no any option in Instagram, so we can see. So what you need to do guys, instead of opening Instagram, you will first download and install the NGL app application on your mobile phone. However you are on Android or iPhone, you need to download the NGL app first off, and then open the NGL app and put your Instagram username and handle, and then tap on done. It will make the anonymous questions link. You just copy that link and open the Instagram and took any picture like this, and you will paste that link here and tap on done, and you can easily put your story. So after some moment people will tap on that link and then ask anonymous question on Instagram. So yeah guys, this is how you can do it. If this video was helpful for you guys, so please like and subscribe for more.